Hi friends, welcome back. This lesson is for Module 3, Lesson 1. Now, we've been doing a lot of work with addition and subtraction. And finally, we get to take a little mini vacation and do something else. Today we're going to start measurement. This is super duper fun and you're going to like it for sure. The first thing we're going to start out with, I'm going to try to trick you. Here we go. Now, which one is longer? Look at that picture. I see a pencil and a marker. Which one's longer, friends? Yeah, it kind of looks like the pencil's longer. I agree. What about now? Ha ha! I gotcha. Does the pencil still look like it's the longest? Well, I don't know because that marker kind of looks like it's a little long too. Friend, what could I do so I could tell which one for sure is the longest? Yeah, did you think or did you say to slide them together? Yeah, I'm going to slide them so that they both start in the same spot. Slide that pencil down so it's right next to the marker. Oh, there we go. Friend, which one is the tallest? Yep, the marker is definitely way longer than the pencil. I can clearly see that now. You know what we just did? We put together their end points. The bottom of the marker to the bottom of the pencil are called end points. They're where they both begin. Now, if I put them both where they start, then I can clearly see how high they go up, how long they are. And that made it a little bit easier to compare the two and see which one is longer. Our learning goal for today says I can compare lengths of objects and I can explain why aligning endpoints is important. There's a really fancy word in there. It says aligning. It's the word in red. Go ahead and say aligning out loud. Aligning. Aligning just means putting them together in the same spot so that they get in a nice straight line. And the endpoints are where they begin or where they end. I'm going to show you a couple examples today and we're going to practice it. All right, here we go. All right, tricky question again. I see an orange and a purple crayon. Friend, which one's longer? Yeah, I know. Can we even tell which one's longer? No, why not? Yeah, we can't see the whole crayon. And I know, last time I got you, but this time I'm not going to. It's pretty hard to guess when we can't see the endpoints. I agree. Well, here we go. Let me get my hand out of the way. Ah, the orange one is way shorter. How do I know the orange one's shorter? Yeah, because I put the endpoints over there where they begin, and then I can see the purple crayon goes a lot longer than the orange one. I align their endpoints at the tip, and then I can clearly see the difference in their lengths. Now, how could I finish this sentence? The orange crayon is blank, the purple crayon. I'm going to read it again. What do you think I could say? The orange crayon is blank, the purple crayon. Yeah, I agree. The orange crayon is shorter than the purple crayon. Good job. Let's try another one. Oh, I see a troll doll and a transformer here. Now, what do I need to do before I start comparing their two lengths or finding out which one's longer or taller? Yeah, I hope that you said that we need to align their endpoints. Now, I see that troll is kind of flying around there, so I'm going to slide him down so that the bottom of the transformer aligns or makes a nice straight line with the bottom of the troll doll. Here we go. Zoop. All right, now I can clearly talk about the two different objects and which one's longer or taller. Let's see, this sentence says, the troll is blank the transformer. Friend, what could I say? Would I say the troll is shorter than the transformer or the troll is longer than the transformer? What would you say? Agreed. The troll is shorter than the transformer. Good job, friend. High five yourself. All right, now, what if I mixed it up a little bit? I'm going to go ahead and slide that troll down back down to line up the endpoints with the transformer. But now my sentence says, the transformer is blank the troll. Should I say the transformer is shorter than the troll or the transformer is longer than the troll? What do you think? Did you say longer than? That's right. The reason why is look how tall that troll doll or that transformer is. He's way longer than the troll doll is. So you need to be careful when you're filling in your describing sentences because you want to make sure It's going in order. Last sentence we started with the troll, but this one we're starting with the transformer. We want to make sure that we're describing it correctly. Let's try another one. All right, I have a snake. He's wiggly and squiggly. I'm going to call him Snake A. I have another snake. His name is Snake B. I named him Snake B because he's so blue and so cute. All right, now I'm going to quiz you. True or false? A is longer than B. What do you think? True or false? A is longer than B. Now, I don't want you to say true or false and just leave it at that. I want you to be able to explain to me why you think that is. So, true or false? A is longer than B. All right, did you say false? A is shorter than B. Good job, friend. Yeah, if you look at A, he's a lot smaller than B. Now, I know what you're thinking. Miss Ard, Miss Ard, Miss Ard. I cannot slide those two snakes together to make an endpoint, to make it so that their endpoints line up. I agree, friend. Sometimes you'll have a picture, sorry, and you won't be able to move the picture to see where their endpoints are. You might want to use your fingers to try to see how long A is. You could even use your pencil to kind of measure it and then slide your pencil over by B. That would be a way to solve and problem solve when you can't actually move the drawing around. All right, our learning goal says I can compare links of objects and I can explain why aligning endpoints is important. Remember, aligning means to put them together in the same spot, and the endpoints are just where they either start or begin, so they can be in a nice straight line. Now, this is the one you're going to seesaw to your teacher. I want you to go ahead either in your journal or on a dry erase board. I want you to write a sentence about these books. I want you to use a sentence using the words shorter than or a sentence using the words longer than to describe these two books. So I see a purple book and an orange book. You need to just write at least one sentence saying how one is either shorter than or another one is either longer than the other book. All right, good luck, friends.